Hey there, it's day 22 of Shop Talk, the 30-day auto repair shop owners reset, and it's January 1. So happy New Year. I'm Rachael Evans, CEO and founder at the Workshop Whisperer, and I'm here with you for 30 days in a row. As I mentioned, it's day 22 today, at a time of year when, let's be honest, I'd rather be completely on holidays right now, but I'm showing up to prove to you that when something is important and you make it a priority, the excuse of I don't have time or I don't feel like it just isn't good enough anymore. And today, of all days, on January 1, I wonder what even if it was just one thing, is that you could decide, well, this was my result last year. I had 12 months of it. It didn't improve by me just doing things the same way. So I'm going to choose to do just one thing differently for the year ahead, even if it's just one thing. I could think of 300 things that you might be able to do differently, depending on the result that you achieved and what was causing that. But change is a scary thing for many, and we've got to start small. Humans, just by default, will do whatever they can do to avoid the discomfort and the pain that the thought of change produces. So, how about we just agree to go slow? And being January 1, I do actually want you to chill out. But if you've discovered me here on YouTube today, then let's take it slow. So maybe the one thing you can decide on is that your leadership needs work. And this year, you're actually going to show up as the leader your team needs you to be. In a couple of days' time, I'm actually doing the entire video for that day on the different leadership styles. But for now, if you've figured out that you've kind of just avoided conflict, you kind of let the team work stuff out for themselves if conflict arises, you don't really get involved, there's other people in the team that kind of set the direction, or the direction is just wherever you end up. You're not really involved and you need to be. Let's make the coming year the year where you sort that out. Maybe it's a cash flow thing and you suspect that you've actually got quite the cash flow problem, but you don't ever look at your financial reports. How about we make this the year that you become financially literate? I've taught thousands of auto repair shop owners how to read their financials. Many of them I've helped at no charge, simply because I published an ebook that teaches you how to read your profit and loss and your balance sheet, and it's free. Put a comment with this video if you would like a copy of that ebook, and I will drop you the link. No worries. Financial literacy is also a major part of our engine room program, because if you really want to step into the realm of consistent and successful business owner, you can't afford to abdicate financial responsibility for your business to your accountant. You must know. You must be able to recognize what your bookkeeper's up to. You must be able to have informed conversations with your accountant, not just be informed by them of what's going on. That only comes by being patient with yourself and consistently showing up to financial appointments with yourself, where with our help for free or inside of our program, you're learning something different about your P&L and your balance sheet and the reports that come out of your management software every week. Maybe it's something to do with your customer service that needs improving this year. Maybe you know you've got the wrong person standing at the service desk. That person could be you. Maybe You've got somebody toxic in your team. You know they're toxic, it's affecting your culture. And it comes back to that leadership thing. And you've got to step in and you've got to do something. Maybe you keep hiring duds over and over again. There's something wrong with your recruitment. You can go click into this video again and comment, I want your recruitment program. I'll put the link in there. It's 29 bucks. It'll give you the entire recruitment system, what to say in your ads, what questions to ask in the interview process, how to do reference checks properly, how to set somebody up to be onboarded, then how to onboard them. What is the one area of your business that you commit to today to improving for a solid 12 months to give it a real crack so that you have a result that's different to the one that you've just had? I'd love to know what your one thing is. Put it in the comments. And if you're new here to our channel, subscribe so that you automatically see that we put the next video up tomorrow, and like this video to show me that you appreciated it and it resonated with you. Happy New Year. Hope it's a good one. See you tomorrow.